How to fix Meta AI app not working. So first, check if Meta servers are down. What you need to do is just type in Meta AI is down, and here it'll say if Meta AI is operating normally or it has an outage or something. So here, if we go to the website, we can see that it's working okay now. If Meta AI is not working in your case, then there's nothing you can do except just wait. Second thing that you can do is to restart the app. Simply open up Meta AI, then go into the history, swipe it away, and try to open the app again. This fixes many temporary glitches. Now if that doesn't work, hold the app, delete it, and then reinstall it. Just like that. The last thing is make sure the Meta AI is available in your regions, because some Meta AI features roll out gradually and aren't available everywhere. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.